He locked them fucking hubs down. He had all four of them wheels to turn that time.
That thing climbed the steepest mountain, probably.
The first two passes he made, he just did that two-wheel drive only. He got locked them hubs on the front.
There it goes.
I want to come back here and meet you halfway. How's that? I got 539.
I believe that's a good idea.
539, that's a winner. All right, congratulations, y'all. All right, guys, we're going to be doing this drive. We're going to be doing the next
Transfer trucks back here. They're in the show too. Pretty nice. And here's a mobile oil. And he's got a cool bike. I'm going to get a picture shot of it too. Like out to see that bike. But mobile Delva.
That costs you $50 a minute.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good luck with that. There's his bike. Little chopper. Them street sweepers on there. Who made your wheels? Who made your wheels, guy? Who made your wheels?
They're all poured in.
Are those street sweepers or somebody cut them for you? The pipes on it.
To be honest with you, I couldn't tell you because it's not mine.
Oh, okay. Anyway, this is their setup and it's really nice. Trailer they've got made here. I'm doing this for YouTube, so say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
All right. We'll go over here to the lawyers next. This is an awesome truck too. Look at this baby. It is loaded. I bet that sleeper's something else too. Okay, let's go over here. Make a little video about this and put it together. It's already cut off on me once. Kind of hard to walk around with a dog in your hand. But we're gonna try it anyway. This is the motorcycle lawyer from South Carolina.
Okay, well.
Yeah, motorcycle lawyers. So if you ever have an accident, and this is who you want to come see, is just look them up, motorcycle lawyers. It's IRC or Iron Law, and they're online. And matter of factly, it's 1855 Iron Law, and that will get you hooked up. Let's go look at some more bikes here. Guys, glad to have you with me today. This benefit is actually for our motorcycle club, and all proceeds go to the motorcycle club. And that's just a disclaimer because these guys were so spirited about it, and they wanted us to come out, and so we did. It's a very beautiful motorcycle. Let's go over here and see what else we got for motorcycles. Let's see here. We can hook you up for 25 bucks, and they got all these motorcycles plus many more in them. Got mine in them. Now we get over here to the big Jeep. Hey, you mind if I film your Jeep? What about I ask you a few questions for you too? What's your name?
Nick.
How you doing? This your baby, right?
Money pit.
Money pit. That's what I was gonna say. This just the suspension alone on this must have been taken out of the bank account heavy, right? The suspension. Then look at the wheels. These are gigantic. Oh, really? So everything about it is money pit. But it's very beautiful. I like it. I'd ride around it. For as long as my pocketbook can take the gas. Here's a hot rod Chevrolet right here called Hard Times. Very beautiful. Very well done. I like it. How you doing, sir? Are these yours? No. Oh, okay. Both of them? You don't mind me putting them on YouTube, do you?
These steer tires are materials.
Thanks, guys.
I don't really know what the price. What do you say?
Here's the old Mustang. I'm not sure. It's a 67, it says. So 64, 5, 6, 7, they're close, but this one's a little nicer looking than the ones I've ever seen. Oh, and he's got a book with pictures on it. You don't mind me taking pictures, do you?
You get one red ticket from the lady walking outside raffle tickets.
Very nice. Oh, and he's got another couple of oldies.
What's going to go in the bag for the steer tires?
What's the white one? Is that an MGB or the white one? Triumph. Oh yeah. Pretty. And the Galaxy, is that a Galaxy? Fairlane. What year is that one? It's pretty too. What about the Chevy? Whose is this one? Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna guess 65, 64. Year I was born. There ain't much difference in them, is there? Georgia Bulldogs. Check out the engine. Come on now. Ranger, don't pull me around. Look at that. Warrior intake. Here we go. Chrysler. Looks like it's original. Really does. It looks original. Maybe, no, actually even the paint looks original. It's really nice though. I think it's been Cordoba, Chrysler Cordoba. And here we go with a GMC. Very nice. Dalton Truck Sales. This one might be for sale. Look here. Clean. You guys don't mind me take pictures, do you?
No, sir. No.
Or video. El Camino, guys. Old Glory. Red, white, and blue. See the paint scheme? Something else.
That's a bicentennial edition.
Yeah? 76?
76 bicentennial.
Okay. A 350 4-bolt main?
Yeah, I did this one in 4 main. We tried to keep it original with the 2-barrel carburetor.
Okay. Yeah. It's nice. Very nice. Very nice paint job, too. I like the paint job. What about we got here? Ford. Oh, that's pretty. Check it out, folks. Can't beat that. This is one of my favorite trucks right here. Wow. Anyway, these are the money makers. I mean, the money takers. Money takers. You don't mind me taking pictures, do you? Yeah, I thought I'd walk around and get a close-up of everything.